ESL listening test. Kids Elementary English. Please listen and choose the correct letter.
1. She wants to be a teacher. 2. We don't have a cat. We have a dog. 3. Can you get the books, please? 4. They go to school every day. 5. I see birds in the tree. 6. Look at the stars. 7. I want candy. 8. I can't find my keys. 9. We leave at 5 p.m. 10. She looks very tired today.
11. The man is reading a book. 12. Is the woman cooking? No, she isn't. She is watching TV. 13. I don't have a brother. I only have one sister. 14. Let's watch a movie on Friday night. 15. It's cold today. Please wear a jacket. 16. Where is Grandma? I think she is in the living room. 17. My sister has a new bike. 18. My brother has to mop the floor on Saturday. 19. Do you go to school by bus? No, I don't. I walk. 20. What can you do? I can jump rope.
Great job! How many points did you score?